Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today we've installed a Autowatch Ghost 2 on this Lexus RX450h. So the vehicle gets attacked, someone's stolen the key, cloned the key, hopped in and gone to drive the vehicle away. As you see, it's ready at the minute. As soon as they put it in gear and drive off, the vehicle's going to cut out. There we go. So for the customer to drive this vehicle, what they've got to do is go through a push sequence that they choose on the steering wheel. And the way they do that is start it up. Before they select a gear, they put their push sequence in. So we've set it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Security light will give them a double flash. Now they can select their gear and the vehicle's not going to stall out. As you can see, it's still running. If the customer wants to change the code on this vehicle, how they do that is ignition on. So double press, pop their code in to confirm that it's them. Double flash, then foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator, repeat the code again. When the light begins to flash, we can release the foot. Take our foot off. Now it's ready to learn the new code. So every time we press this, we should get a flash. So down, up, down, up. That's the new code. Get a double flash. Sorry, triple flash, then repeat it again. Down, up, down, up. Get a double flash. And that's the code changed. So now when they come back to the vehicle, start it up, that's the code they'll use. If they want to take it for a service and turn the system off, how they do that is ignition on and disarm it with the code. As we've just changed it, the code is down, up, up. Double flash. Now press this button 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 flashes. So now when this goes back to Lexus, there's no need for a code. It just acts and behaves like a normal vehicle, no stalling, no code required. The vehicle runs. When you get it back and you want to turn the security back on for the Ghost, turn the ignition on with a double press, pop your code in, down, up, up. Double flash is normal and it's protected. If you want to make sure you've taken it out correctly, give it sort of 5 to 10 seconds. Start the vehicle up without using the code and try and drive it away. There you go, as you can see it's cut out, so the Ghost is back on. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is the Autowatch Ghost 2. Thanks for watching.